Hello Brookfield, happy Friday. So I'm very excited because for the first time in a long time I'm filming for you, and look, we have some children in the background. Isn't that exciting? So here I am in the nursery garden. There's Joe and there's some nursery children, and then if I sneak over here, we've got Yasin and I think Jamie tucked in doing some fantastic play. Can you see them just tucked in there? There's Yasin. Oh, I can't keep up with you, Yasin. There he is there in the nursery garden. So last week I took you and your families on a tour of outside just before we opened up the gates to show you some of the things that had changed, and we know that lots of the things are the same at school. And then today I thought I'd take you on a bit of a tour of the inside. So we've got 15 children coming into nursery, and that's our beautiful nursery. And some toys we've had to move and some soft furnishings. But then otherwise there's lots of things that are the same. And here we have Charlotte with Max and then Gabby doing some reading. So our lovely nursery. Now I'm in reception, and here are some of our reception children. They're playing together. And here's how their room is set up. And they also get to use the outdoor area. And then let me walk through into Acorn class, where we've got Georgina teaching on a Friday. Hello. Hello Acorn class. Hello Charlie. I'm doing a little film for our children at home, so that they can see how things are in school. We do. Yes.
Right, here we go.
Okay, now we're in year one. This is the Bluebell bubble. They're playing a maths game. And you'll see that we have spread the children out a little. So they do have their own desks. Here's the letters. And the children do play together and enjoy being together. So we're not socially distancing once they're in their bubble. Okay, and then let's head along to Poppy class. So we've got some year one and some year two in this class. So here's wonderful Laura. And our children in our year one and two bubble. Working hard, learning. Is Aaron helping? Cool, it looks like some wonderful writing.
They are doing amazing stories, Laurel. I'm now watching you.
And last but not least, here I am up in year 6. So this is Lucy's elm bubble. And you can see that we have spread the children out on their tables. And they do get to play and socialise. There's Laura. Lovely. And they're working really hard. So that completes our tour. So we started in the nursery and we saw children learning in the nursery garden, and some children were learning inside. Then we visited reception and saw the children there, and lots of the rooms look very similar, although we have had to move some of the soft toys and soft furnishings out. And then in year one, we visited Bluebell class and Poppy class, and Daisy class were outside having play. And we have to timetable the playgrounds really carefully now, so that children, the different bubbles go out at different times. And then we finished up in year 6 and seen Elm class doing some fantastic learning with Lucy and Nora. So this week we found out that it's very unlikely that more children will be able to come back before the summer. So I am thinking with the staff here, with parents, with governors, of any ways that we can create some Brookfield experiences for the children at home, because we've got more children learning at home than we have at school at the moment. So we really need to think carefully about what we can do for you, how to make sure the home learning is still keeping you motivated, and perhaps, hopefully, some Brookfield experiences that you can have safely before the end of the summer term. So that finishes my assembly. Have a lovely weekend and week ahead. Keep trying with your home learning, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.